Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to banking awareness. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams like IBPS, SSC, banking, clerical and many other competitive exams. So now we will see the questions in detail. First question. In India, the chit funds are governed or regulated by which of the following? And the options are local bodies, RBI, central government, state government. Correct answer is option 4. The chit funds are governed and regulated by state government. Next question. What is the rate at which commercial bank needs to maintain in the form of cash or gold or government approved securities like bonds before providing credit to its customers? And the options are CRR rate, second option reverse repo rate, third option repo rate and fourth option SLR rate. Correct answer is option 4, SLR rate. Next one. FII stands for which of the following? Options are Forward Institutional Investor, second option Foreign International Investor, third option Foreign Institutional Investor and fourth one Formal Institutional Investor. Correct answer is option 3, Foreign Institutional Investor. Next one. Smart money is a term used for which of the following? And the options are credit card, second one demand draft of banks, third one mobile apps and fourth one internet banking. Correct answer is option 1, credit card. Next one. In CRR, C stands for which of the following? And the options are currency, code, none of these, fourth one cash. Correct answer is option 4, cash. Next question. Which among the following is a qualitative tool of monetary policy? Options credit ceiling, second one cash reserve ratio, third one bank rate and fourth option credit rationing. And the answer is option 4, credit rationing. Next one. Who is the sole authority to issue and manage the currency in India? Options Finance Ministry, second one Government of India, third State Bank of India and fourth option Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is option 4, Reserve Bank of India. Next one. Money lent for more than 1 day but less than 15 days in the money market is known as which of the following? And the options call money, term money, week money, notice money. Correct answer is option 4, notice money. Next one. What is the rate at which commercial banks charge on their surplus fund with RBI? Options cash reserve ratio, second SLR, third repo rate, fourth reverse repo rate. Correct answer is option 4, reverse repo rate. Next. SEBI is a which body? Options constitutional body, non-advisory body, advisory body and fourth option statutory body. Correct answer is option 4, statutory body. Next. CAG stands for which of the following? Controller and Auditor General of India, Constant Auditor General of India, Central Auditor General of India and fourth one, Constant and Author General of India. Correct answer is option 1, Controller and Auditor General of India. Next one, the statutory liquid ratio, the amount of liquid assets such as cash, precious metal and other short-term securities are kept with which of the following? Options, none of the following. Second option, individual bank. Third, SBI. And fourth one, RBI. Correct answer is option 2, individual banks. Next, the Indian Financial System Code, that is IFS code, is an alphanumeric code that uniquely identifies a bank branch participating in the two main electronic fund settlement systems in India. IFSC code consists of how many alphanumeric codes? Options 9, 12, 10, 11. Correct answer is option 4, 11. Next, at which rate the RBI lends money to a public sector bank on a long-term basis? Options, PLR, bank rate, repo rate, CRR. Correct answer is option 2, bank rate. Next question, what is the minimum amount of transfer required for RTGS? Options, 1 lakh, option 2, 5 lakhs, option 3, 50,000, fourth option, 2 lakhs. Correct answer is option 4, 2 lakhs. Next, what is the full form of PPP? Options, personal private parity, second option, personal private power, third option, primary power parity, and fourth, purchasing power parity. Correct answer is option 4, purchasing power parity. Next one, who appoints the Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Options, Central Government, President of India, Financial Ministry, Financial Secretary. Correct answer option 1, Central Government appoints the Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Next, as per the Banking Ombudsman scheme, any person can file a complaint before the Banking Ombudsman if the satisfied reply is not received from the bank within a period of how many years? Options are 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, 2 months. Correct answer is option 3, 1 month. Next question, CPI stands for? Options, cost price index, consumer price index, current price index, and fourth option, cash price index. Correct answer is option 2, consumer price index. Next, MICR code is used for which of the following? Options, for check truncation services, option 2, for code banking solution, third one, for electronic clearance of check, and fourth, for check truncation services. Correct answer is option 3, for electronic clearance of checks.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.